Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's going to be an active weather weekend with lots of wind tomorrow. Should keep rain chances low, but going into late tomorrow night, early Sunday, rain chances ramping up. Can't rule out a severe storm or two, and then more soaking rains behind the front into Sunday afternoon. And now it looks like even Sunday evening, perhaps even Sunday night. So we'll give you the latest coming up in just a bit. Looking at the big picture, it hasn't changed much all week long. I've moved this H very little. It was in the Gulf last week. It moved out by the Bahamas this week. Was out a little bit farther in the Atlantic. Now it's parked back closer to the Bahamas. So that's keeping some of the heavier rains well to our west. We've had disturbances coming out of the Rockies. Another big one coming through tomorrow that it's going to ignite a severe weather event for our friends to the north. But for us, just a frontal boundary that runs out of gas as it gets closer to us. More on that in just a bit. So you can see some of the heavier rains ongoing right now up into Missouri. All of this rainfall, by the way, will be feeding into the Mississippi and the Ohio, which will come down the Mississippi. So do look for the river levels on the Atchafalaya and the Mississippi in southern Louisiana to continue to be on the rise over the next several weeks. Already a pretty good bump coming down the Atchafalaya. More on the way. As for any kind of flood watches, still a flood watch in effect for the Arklatex. Flood warnings for Oklahoma into northwestern Arkansas. Some river flood warnings as you go farther north and east. And here we have a flash flood watch here and another one up toward Pennsylvania and portions of Ohio and West Virginia. So much more active weather system to the north, at least for right now. And locally, all day long and into the evening, best rain chances have been off to the east of us. We did see some scattered showers. It turned out to be about a 30-40% type of day for Acadiana. And we'll say 20% or less for tonight and much the same for tomorrow with lots of clouds, mostly cloudy in the morning, maybe a little light fog. Temperatures start out in the 70s, and then we advance through the afternoon. A few breaks in the clouds, temperatures pushing 80 degrees anytime tomorrow afternoon. Dinner time tomorrow evening, maybe a sprinkle or two, but the big rain chances starting to show up as we get into midnight tomorrow night. Showers and locally heavy thunderstorms lining up ahead of that frontal boundary that'll be progressing to the south and east. And right here, this is showing some pretty good gust fronts out ahead of the storms. Notice the yellow out ahead of the red. So that tells us there could be some strong winds with these storms. And the farther north and east you go, the higher the risk of severe weather will be. And then as we get into Sunday morning, we'll see the lingering showers behind the front, but more atmospheric lift behind the front. So rain and some embedded thunder likely Sunday afternoon, perhaps into Sunday evening before things quiet down. And some of the latest computer models keeping rain in the forecast Monday. Our RPM model keeping the clouds, but maybe a little sun Monday afternoon. But I've thrown in a 30% chance of showers for Monday just in case. And that front, by the way, comes back next Tuesday. So another good chance of rain and storms then. So as we take a look at the RPM rain totals, anything in red here is showing up close to 3 inches. So we'll say 1 to 3. These numbers will populate. A little lag here on the computer, but you can see probably 1 to 2, 1 to 3 for most of us, and maybe isolated spots with a little bit more. I'm not expecting any flooding, but there could be some localized runoff issues depending on how things unfold. So watch meteorologist Eric Zernit's forecast for tomorrow. We'll get the latest model runs with respect to rainfall. And the European model, much the same, at least 1 to 2 inches of rain. Threat of flooding mainly to the north. As for severe weather and enhanced risk of severe storms into Arkansas and surrounding states, there will be supercells capable of producing damaging winds and a few strong tornadoes, mainly Saturday afternoon. Locally, we're in a marginal risk Saturday evening, overnight, and into Sunday morning. Marginal, just a 5% chance of an isolated storm that could produce wind damage, maybe an isolated tornado. So something that we'll have to keep an eye on. Tomorrow's weather story is going to be the wind, breezy overnight tonight and then getting gusty tomorrow. These are sustained winds, so your gusts are usually about 30 or 40% higher. So gusts to 25, 30, maybe up to 35 tomorrow afternoon, so keep that in mind. So warm and humid clouds will continue to increase overnight tonight, maybe a few isolated streamer showers. Not seeing much going on right now locally, and we'll keep it at 20% tomorrow. Windy and warm, 81 the high, so another warm one. We cool off a little bit Sunday. We get into the 60s, drop into the upper 50s on Monday, and then as we get into next week, again, more rain chances. So we'll say 1 to 3 on Sunday, chance of getting wet at 90%. It may not rain all day, but there are going to be intervals or periods of rain and storms that continue throughout the afternoon and early evening hours. And then as we get toward the end of next week, a better looking front Thursday that's going to push through and finally give us some sunny weather next Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So this weekend, another so-so weekend, which will make it 6 in a row since we've had clear skies on a weekend. But the 7th weekend will be the charm.
It's going to feel so good, too.